Hey everybody, it's Barry here with Southern RV, and behind me we've got the new Rockwood Lite 2912BS. We just took delivery of this cool travel trailer and we're going to check it out, so stick with us. Let's get started with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. This travel trailer is a pretty nice floor plan. It's a rear bath, and we have our bedroom up front. It has two slides, and if you notice up front here, we have a molded front cap with an automotive grade windshield and some LED accent lights and kind of area lights that are up front there as well. We have an electric tongue jack that's going to make it easy to hitch and unhitch. And if you notice here, this is a nice large double battery box. This is equipped with electric stabilizer jacks. This is not a leveling jack, it is just a stabilizer jack, but it is electric, so at the touch of a button it'll run up and down. In the front here you can see we've got a decent sized pass-through storage, and you can see some of that welded aluminum framework that's going on inside as well. It's a fiberglass body, and we have frameless windows. It is equipped with an electric awning that's pretty decently sized. It sticks out a good long way. It covers up our entry as well as most of the patio and our outside kitchen area over here to the left. Notice that we have the typical rail system from Rockwood so that we can hook up exterior griddles, grills, even TV stands and things of that nature. They do have a outside TV mount that you see right here, and we've got power and cable out on the outside as well. Looking at our outside kitchen area, we notice that this is all made of metal, so it's going to be resistant to any water intrusion. This is a dual burner outside stove, and we have a small GE refrigerator as well. That's electric. There's another one of these rail ports on this side for hooking up all sorts of different stuff. And we have an LP disconnect down low. Since we're down here, we might as well make note that this has an enclosed underbelly, and we're running on torsion axles instead of the leaf springs that we see in other parts of the industry. At the back of our camper, we notice that this does have a ladder to a fully walkable roof and is pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera. There's our spare tire on the back, and we have a 2-inch receiver that you see here that is going to be rated to 300 pounds for carrying cargo and bikes, things of that nature. Off the back end of the camper, we notice that we have our power and hookup station. This is where all of our water in is going to come, as well as our cable and satellite in. And notice that we have an outside shower here, as well as a light for working at night. The power station is right here as well. And down low, since we are by this outside shower, we have our dump station. This unit is equipped with slide toppers, as you can see. That's what's lining the tops of these slides and covering it up. There are 2 slides, and you notice that we have a little bit of extra storage in the front one that runs up under the bed. Let's hop up inside the vehicle and check it out. As we hop up inside the vehicle, I will note that it does come equipped with the solid step entryway from MoreRide. It is on a strut assist, so it's easy to lift, and they've given us a nice big handle here to get up and down as well. As we first enter the camper, directly on your left, we have our control panel. It has all of our necessary buttons for running slides in and out and immediately cutting on lights and checking tank fill. This unit is equipped with a Wi-Fi Ranger, which is going to be a Wi-Fi extender repeater. It is also equipped with the Control Your app, the Control Your RV with the WeRV app from Lippert. That means it's an app that you can download that will run these slides out and turn on lights and set up the awning without you having to actually interact with the control panel. As we were saying, this is a 2-slide unit. The interior room, the first one that we come in, is kind of our combined living room kitchen area that we see here. We have our slide out pushed out. With the slide in, we cannot access the bathroom that's in the back of this unit. You probably could get back there, but it'd be very difficult to squeeze to it. We do notice that we have theater seating with recliners set up across from our TV entertainment space with our electric fireplace down low. We do have a dinette here that can convert into another bed for this unit. Plenty of windows, a little bit of extra overhead cabinetry. And I'll spin here so that we can get a decent view of the kitchen. As you can see here in the kitchen, we have a Dometic gas electric refrigerator. We have Magic Chef oven with a 3-burner stove, and that has a glass cover on it to kind of extend our counter space. Same with the sink. It comes with these sink covers that you see here. Lifting those reveals a dual basin stainless steel sink. There's some cabinetry for storage up above and below. And notice here we have a counter flip out, and that's going to extend our counter as well. We do have some extra storage for this room in the form of these tall cabinets on the left and the right of the bedroom. They're actually pretty deep and decently shelved. So those could act as a pantry, dry goods storage, all sorts of different great stuff. The entertainment center is equipped with a speaker system as well as a Bluetooth head unit. This nice large flat screen TV, which we have this button here that if we push up on and lift, we can see that we have plenty of storage in behind that TV as well. There is also, in the form of cabinetry, some more small storage here. And then down low, we have our electric fireplace that has a variety of colors that we can flip through, and it can put out heat or act as a fan. This is a great addition to the camper in the winter, and I say that because it heats the camper off of electricity instead of propane, and in mild weather, it does a pretty good job of heating the entire camper. Directly across from the TV, as we noted earlier, we have our theater seating. The theater seating does recline, and it has electric lumbar support. One of the things I thought was pretty cool is this right here. Built into it, we have a power and a USB station that closes away, as well as cup holders. And of course, this can flip up and back and make it so that you could potentially seat a third person or a child. As we push to the back of the camper, notice that we have our thermostat control on the right, and then this door is going to lead into our bathroom. So as I open it, the first thing we notice is that we have a foot flush toilet in the very back of the camper by this window, and to our left we've got closet space. Let's check that out. Notice how the closet had a light that automatically popped on. On the right side of this closet, we have some storage in the form of shelves. And on the left side of this closet, we have 2 hanging racks right here and here. And then down low, I'm going to step in and hopefully we can get this on camera. Yeah, there we go. We notice that we have power and washer dryer connections in here. So this little walk-in closet as it stands could be used as a washer dryer closet as well. Looking out from the closet across the bathroom, we have our glassed-in corner shower and a decent-sized sink. I really love this little shelf that they're giving us for our morning accessories. and a medicine cabinet up high. All of this is lit by LED lighting. Pushing towards the front of the camper, we'll pass through our kitchen and the storage that's on either side, and there's a sliding door that separates this big old bedroom from the rest of the unit. Now, this is equipped right now. This is a queen bed that's in here. It has storage up above it and also below as well. So the bed is on a strut. It lifts up like so. And you can see that they've put some extras in here. We have a table that hooks up to that rail system as well as a suburban griddle. It's kind of cool. Let's close that down. There's also some drawers down low that pull out if you don't wish to lift the bed in the manner that I just did. In the very, very front of the camper, we notice that we have closets on either side. That's a window with a shade that lifts up. A seated area for getting ready in the morning, putting on your shoes and whatnot. And also we have some storage up above. Now for folks that feel like that ate into their closet space, they've given us plenty more in the form of this nice big storage chest at the foot of the bed. Up above that, we have a couple of windows and a spot to hook up yet another flat screen TV. This unit is 50 amp service, and it is equipped with 2 ACs, one of which is here in the bedroom. It is a ducted system though, so it pushes out to all of the camper. The other AC is on the ceiling there in the living room. Guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this tour of the Rockwood, and be sure to check us out on social media or online at southernrv.com. You can visit us in person here in McDonough. We're at 324 Industrial Boulevard. Or, like I say, check us out on YouTube, on Facebook, Southern RV. Until next time, happy camping.